Harry Potter chess set. Okay.
All right, guys. I'm going to take this guy for a walk because he's going nuts.
Okay. That's Tony Hawk's company.
Yeah, Birdhouse, yeah.
All right. These are all part of the...
Okay.
I have all those.
Okay.
That's it.
Morning.
Morning. None of them are name brand or anything.
Yeah. Any like sports cards or video game stuff at all?
No.
No. Figured I'd ask.
What?
How much are the bags?
5 each.
5 each. Do it 10.
Yeah, just change.
Thank you, man.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
it.
Have a good day.
You too. Wow, you weren't joking.
Oh, yeah, I got some stuff. I got the systems coming.
Okay, cool. You don't come across a lot at garage sales is brand new sealed games. So there is probably about 6 or 7 games in this lot here that are sealed, which is great. Were you guys big Xbox players?
Big forever players.
Yeah. What other systems you guys got?
I don't know. My dad,
He-
he used to be a gamer before
Gotcha.
I was born, so he had all these consoles and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
So I kind of just played them.
Man, you're a big gamer, huh?
Yeah.
What other consoles were you playing back in the day?
I think the original Fallouts are somewhere, or maybe in the PS stuff. Yeah, I think it's a PS stuff. But, everything. We all play everything now. But
Oh, is that
this is a
Wii U?
Wii U.
Do you have games for the Wii U?
I think I do. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
What are you looking for the 360 stuff? Actually, for
yeah, $40 for all of that.
all right. What about for the?
This one,
Yeah.
I'd say about the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
80 bucks.
$40.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that include the games then you got
Yeah,
with it?
yeah. Let me get the games.
All right, cool.
for you.
No problem.
Is this a community garage sale?
It's supposed to be, but this is the only house I've seen in the whole community.
Yeah.
I went to like 3 other communities in here.
None. Yeah,
Nothing.
Me too. That's weird.
Yeah.
It's supposed to start at 7.
I know. So, what is that box on top?
This is like a Harry Potter extra.
Can I see it? Is that for sale?
Yeah.
That's cool. Harry Potter chess set. What other kind of stuff you had to put out, say, like action figures, toys?
Random Hot Wheels.
The Hot Wheels.
Really.
Scooby-Doo. Megalodon. Spider-Man. Grave Digger. These are what, $1 a car?
Yeah.
These are cool.
That's Tony Hawk's company.
Yeah, Birdhouse, yeah.
These are the only ones that wouldn't be in the lot because I know they're higher priced
Okay.
games.
What would you want for these ones?
20 each.
20 each.
There's Windwalker in there, which is Zelda.
Yeah, that's a cool game.
All right. These are all part of the.
Okay.
You can have all those.
Okay.
That's a really good one, that Donkey Kong.
Yeah, Donkey Kong's a cool game. And then what do you want for the chess set?
JD, what do you want for the chess set?
Like $15.
15 bucks. Okay.
And that's never been opened. You can see it.
Yeah. Gotcha. Okay. Do you have more video game stuff, or is this it?
I have PS4 stuff. If you're interested in that.
Yeah.
It's just games though. Is that good?
Yeah. I'll see what you have.
Okay. It's like the little mounting.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. No problem. You said how much did you say in the Harry Potter?
15.
Okay, I'll buy that too. So this was never opened or played with before?
No, I don't think so. No.
It's just a cool piece. Oh yeah. What is this? Oh, nice. Is this thing new? Oh.
I took long because I wanted to make sure all the
yeah.
discs were
No,
in there.
I appreciate
so
that,
this
man.
is the PS4 lot.
Okay.
There's some good stuff in there. The Spider-Mans, both of them
yeah,
are in
yeah.
there. The Batmans. There's a lot of good stuff in there. And then these are PS3s.
Okay.
So I have a lot of Maddens, a lot of some God of Wars in there.
Okay. What do you want for these here? Do you have the systems or no systems?
No, the systems were the PS3 doesn't work well.
Gotcha.
So unless you fix them, you know.
Depends what you want for it, man. I would give you a couple bucks for it if you wanted to sell it.
Like yeah, I mean $10.
Yeah, I'll do
for the
$10. Yeah.
PS4. You know,
the PS3,
I'm sorry,
you mean?
PS3.
Yeah.
PS3. And then for these, I would say 20 and 20, so $40.
So I'm gonna all right. So let me add this up. So we got 40, 80. I'll take the Wind Waker. So that's 100.
Okay.
120, 140. He wanted 15, so 155, and then 3.
Okay.
So just say one. Oh, yeah, one. I'll just give you 160 here.
Okay, let me get the PS3.
Okay. Do you have any other systems, handhelds, or anything else?
Not that we were selling now.
Here you go. Here's your cash. 180. I mean, sorry, 160.
Okay. Yeah.
Count that. Just yeah. I figured you go into the house. You put it in the house.
Yep.
In space. Brazil, Madden. Injustice. WWE. I still owe you for the PS3 when it comes out, for the broken PS3. I just realized I didn't pay him for that. So I didn't pay you for that, by the way. So I owe you $10.
So it goes on when it wants to. So there's obviously something up with the power.
Okay.
But and then there's 2 controllers.
Okay. That's okay. The dust is included, right?
Yeah.
I was telling him there's not a lot of houses in the neighborhood set up for sale yet, so
Yeah,
it's,
this was a jackpot for gaming for sure.
yeah. I didn't buy those two, by the way.
Okay.
So
Is this like a hobby or?
yeah, so I do resell and stuff like that, but I do collect video games. So I have I got 15 consoles. I get everything from all the way back to Atari, NES, all the way through. So I got a whole gaming room set up like that, and I'm introducing my stepson to all the retro games.
Oh, very cool.
So yeah, so I set up. So I had to I have a big strip where you just hit a button, it switches, has all the consoles lined up.
Yeah.
Which is
Very
which is
nice,
cool. Yeah.
very
So.
nice.
But my favorites, I grew up on NES, so NES or Super Nintendo's what I like to play. I like the older stuff. So.
Yeah. 007.
Oh yeah, for N64. Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, those were fun times.
Absolutely, man.
Plus, it's early. A lot of people don't like to get up this early.
Yeah. Well, usually a lot of community yards just start at 8, so this one starts at 7. What else are you gonna be putting out today? Anything else cool?
Some what do we got here? Cigar humidors.
Oh, you got cigar humidors?
We have a little guitar.
Okay. Hey, let me go put this in the truck. I'll be right back.
And then the higher priced, you know.
Scar Daddy. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Oh, that's a nice humidor. Yeah, I used to smoke. I used to like smoking the Fuente 858s, Romeo and Julietas.
Yeah.
Not expensive, you know, like
They're
under $10, like something that you can get. And
Can you allow me to put some stuff up? So you got all your stuff up. Got enough room.
oh, is that cracked in here?
I'm sorry?
Is this broken here?
What the thermostat?
Yeah, it's so cracked and.
Oh, it could be. I don't know. But there's another thermostat inside
Oh,
there.
okay.
But honestly, what I do with these is this doesn't come with it, but they have these little packets that you put in, and it puts it to the exact temperature that you want
really?
this to be in, and that's what they slide in.
Oh, that's
here.
cool.
So I don't even use. But
Gotcha.
there's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. Those work.
Oh yeah, you're on point.
But yeah, for like ease of use, those packets are.
I saw you had the with the Wii. You had a Guitar Hero game. Do you guys have the guitars at all?
Oh yeah. Check in the closet upstairs.
I'd be willing to buy those.
Yeah.
So do you do photography?
Yeah, I used to more than now. You know,
Okay.
I don't do much now, but yeah, I used to.
What's your
Landscapes.
Landscapes?
Yeah, I tried doing events, but it's usually when people are in their worst. So I decided to
yes.
not.
Oh man, you got concert shirts or just regular Kiss
No,
shirt?
just regular shirts, but they were never worn.
This is Bob Marley and Kiss.
Yeah, man.
No, it's cool shirts. What do you have on those?
Oh, do you remember this? The Insanity workout?
Yep.
Hasn't
Yeah.
even been opened.
What do you want for the shirts?
Hey, $5.
Okay. Do you have any other cool like concert shirts or anything?
No, that was
okay.
it with the shirt.
I'm a big concert guy.
Oh,
So yeah, me and my wife, we just saw Chili Peppers.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It was weird.
I saw them a couple times. Sometimes they're really awesome, sometimes not so much.
They were really awesome.
They were good?
Yeah. So
That's awesome.
they were really awesome, and then they had Ice Cube open for them.
Ice Cube?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So like, but we didn't know. So it was such an awesome surprise. So
That's awesome.
yeah, because I've been there before when like I seen like Nars Barkley open for him like
Yeah.
years ago, and he was so bad.
Yeah.
What was the photography stuff that you said you had then?
I have
Okay. External lightning.
rolls.
Yeah.
And these are all for either hot shoes or strobe lights. The hot,
Gotcha.
what do you call them? The boxes. And then I have some stands.
Okay.
These are cheetah stands, which are for event photographers, because they call it cheetah because you drop it and it sets.
Okay. Yeah.
These are reflectors for photography.
Okay.
This is a strobe light.
Gotcha. You got like the big like stuff. Any camera?
Nothing really. Oh,
no.
you know what? This is small. And this is for people like when you're doing video or they call it a beauty light, a beauty dish.
Yeah.
You put it on a hot shoe. So you can use it with any camera. You connect the hot shoe to it and it makes it strobe.
Oh wow.
It's very cool. Yeah.
Huh. What is something like that? Would you ask for something like that?
Honestly, I don't think it's ever been open, but like maybe $10, you know?
Yeah. I always look for like I do some video stuff myself, and like
Yeah.
I always look for just.
Because this has the have you used the light before?
No, not like that.
So the reason why you have these over here, and all of these are that, they're just bigger versions of it, but it keeps the light from being a main focal point on the face. No orange dot in the face.
Gotcha.
It makes it soft. It almost makes it like a cloud is in the sky.
Gotcha.
So no shadows.
That's cool.
$10 change.
What are we for these?
That is.
These were $5. Let's do 5 each, so $10.
That lady gave you $2 bills.
Just keep the change, man.
Okay, perfect.
Lady.
Is anything else you're bringing out, man? I'm one stop. You're the one-stop shop today, so. Your dog is so cute. Hello.
So I gotta
Hi.
take him out because he's freaking out.
How old?
He's gonna be 4.
Before he's cute. Super
you.
cute.
That's all.
So I'm gonna
Yeah.
charge the battery right now
Okay.
to make sure, but this.
Do you mind if I look? Can I look in it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
All right, guys. I'm gonna take this guy for a walk because he's going nuts.
Okay.
All right. Happy shopping.
Mic on. So, and there's another Nikon lens in here.
Yeah. So I'm trying to learn more and more about cameras as I go through. It's such a huge learning curve.
So this is the best way to start because it's they call it a prosumer. It's not as manual as the other ones.
Okay.
As you get into the thousands of dollars, you know, this probably when it was brand new was like $300, you know. But it's automatic. You can do automatic. It has a hot shoe, which is important because even though it comes with a flash, this right here kicks up when the battery's on, and you have a flash, but that's a shitty one. No one ever wants to. You want to hook up a hot shoe, and then put a softener on it, something like this, so that way your shadows are not ugly.
Oh, that's cool.
This opens up and goes right on your hot shoe, and it softens. You know.
Gotcha.
So
just like little light boxes.
Yeah. This bag is a water one. I think it has.
What are you asking for this?
I think the whole thing, even with the bag, $60.
$60.
Yeah, and this is the rain cover. Sorry, that's what I was looking for. The rain cover. I just want to make sure you can power it on. And then this is a very expensive bag, but you want a good bag when you have a nice camera, you know.
You know, I'll buy it for me, man. I really appreciate all the deals today, man.
I'm glad you'd appreciate them, you know.
Yeah. Thank you. 60.
Yep.
Talk about being in the right place at the right time. What a crazy sale to hit up. It was just one of those sales that just kept coming and coming and coming. Guy was super cool, so appreciate you guys very much. Picked up those Xbox 360 and the games. I haven't tested the system out, but about 7 or 8 of those games were sealed, which, you know, always adds a premium, which is nice. Nintendo Wii stuff sells great, so he brought the Wii U and the games there, so that was a great added bonus. As for the PS3 and the PS4 stuff, there was a lot of sports games in there, but at $20 a bag, I could not go wrong. What I'll do is I'll take those sports games, I'll add them to a couple of the systems I have laying around the house, and I'll put those up in a bundle deal. Bundling those sports games with systems is a great way to move them and give the customer extra value. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you guys do like and subscribe. It really does help with the channel. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.